Good morning. Thank you for joining me. This is another Gforce Traders update. It's now February 10th, and I would like to take a moment and review the performance on the web code year-to-date, the gross performance. First off, I'd like to start by saying past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. There is risk of loss trading futures. You should trade with money that you can afford to lose, that you don't need for buying groceries and things of this nature. And you should always do it in the spirit of investing and not trying to make a living on a $5,000 account, things of this nature. So let's move right into the performance. And I will pull up a performance report for the gross TradeStation performance. Looks like 46.62 year to date on about 81.25% winners. Average trade's been about $145 year to date on a drawdown of about $1,500. Of course, it's early in the year yet. We will have higher drawdowns than that, no doubt, this year. So keep in mind that this starts the first of the year, and it looks like a good, pretty smooth equity curve year to date here. Now, I also can show you the periodic returns in January is about 18.25. And so far this month in January, or February rather, up to today the 10th, is 27.75. So let's move into looking at some charts and see how that worked out. Now I did set this up to start the trading on January, the first trading day in January. It was long going into this. It did not short that, so we're going to understate our performance a bit by having this loser here. And then we pick up on the shorting on the 5th. And let's just go through these quickly. Looks like we caught a nice winner starting there. Another scratch trade. Caught another winner going long. Another short winner, long winner. Went short. And let's see, drifted back. Ended up being a small winner on that one. Another winner, sell short there, and looks like that one also ended up being a winner on the 22nd, which got stopped out on the 24th, I think, on the 22nd rather, and picked it up again short on the 25th. Nice winner there, and on the 26th, long and then short again, another winner. Long again here, and another real nice winner. Now let me talk a little bit for a second for those of you who are not familiar with the way the system works. You'll notice that this system can take some scalp trades, picking up, looks like this one picked up 89 to 94, about 6 points on this one. But then it can get involved in some longer-term swing trades. This system is unique in this way. It is able to discern when trends are setting up in the market and catch some nice big winners like the one I'm showing you here. Then shorted that, went long on the 28th and got stopped out again for the second stop out, I think, so far. Looks like it took a rest for a day and a half or so. Caught it short, caught a nice winner there, and then another winner into the second, into the first of the month. Again, we take a little scalp trade there on the second in the morning. Caught a real nice swing trade going into the third. Bought again on a scalp trade on the third, and got stopped out on the fourth. I remember that day. It was pretty volatile that day. And so, let's see, we were flat then. We picked up a long on the 5th, and we're stopped out again. And those couple of stop outs, I think from there we had smooth sailing. Now, I often tell people when they're getting involved with us, it's often very good to start after a couple of stop outs, and I'm going to show you a case of that. That's not always going to be the case necessarily, but you know, when you get a little bit of a drawdown going on, it's often a very good time to start because you're buying a low. You always want to buy low and sell high if you can. So we started with some nice scalps there coming out of the stop out. Another nice swing trade winner. Another nice swing trade winner. Another scalp winner. Another swing trade winner. Another swing. And that stops us right there at about $4,600 in equity. That first one was a stop out that as I recall, didn't happen. But I'd rather understate the performance than overstate it. But for about 6 weeks of trading, 4,600 is averaging about $760 a week in gross performance. Of course, you'll have some commissions and some slippage on top of that, but still plenty of room to do quite well in your account. So I'd like to join you, or have you come join us at Gforce Traders. We do have a free trial on there for those who haven't taken a trial in the past. We have a chat room in there, and you can get acquainted. You can also do auto trading through us if you don't have the time to be trading manually. We have the G2 and G3 programs, which are also doing very, very well, and can auto trade for you. And we've done a lot of work in the last number of months in order to keep the performance very high on those as we have grown in the number of people that are trading our systems. So anyways, again, I'd like to thank you for joining us, and come visit us at gforcetraders.com, gforcetraders.com.